At Alpha Accurate Advisors, our investment philosophy is to reduce such risk. Now, what are the various risk factors? The first important risk is the governance risk. And here I am not talking about standard governance risk, what people talk about, which are easily identifiable by looking at the balance sheet of the companies. I am talking much beyond that. So, say for example, number one company globally, Volkswagen Global, and one emission norm scam. There is an erosion in wealth by 40-50%. Or if you look at India's largest pharmaceutical companies, the US FDA import alert. Largest companies, but yet the wealth erosion was huge at the time of announcements of such events. So the question is, can you predict such events? Answer is no, you cannot predict such events. So you have a governance risk, then you have a technology risk. The biggest example is BlackBerry and Nokia's of the world. From blue chip companies to the bankrupt companies. The pace of technology can throw your business out of window. How you mitigate this risk? You cannot predict again. And third is the business cycle risk, and that's something most important. It's the risk probably which is most underestimated, or let me put it in another way, that most smart money managers or even HNI investors, they believe that you can predict this risk. But actually, at times you may not be able to predict this risk. Look at the IT cycle. If you would have bought the best of the companies in 1999, and even if you hold for 20 years, those IT companies, if you would have bought in 1999, it generated returns less than fixed income in the country. Why? Not that the companies were bad. Companies were great. Businesses were great. But the growth came down from high 20, 30, 40% to below 20 and then below 10%. So how do you reduce the risk? And that's something very critical. So you reduce the risk by diversification. That's what we do in our flagship PMS strategy, AAA India Opportunity PMS plan. Okay. We diversify across 40-50 companies. We diversify across market cap, large cap, mid cap, small cap. We diversify across 13 to 15 sectors. So that even if you go wrong, because you can't predict, as I said, correct? Even if you go wrong, the damage is lesser. So that is first important thing. Identification of the risk and mitigation of the risk. Second very important thing is discipline exit strategy. Correct? So this is how you try to control the stock specific risk, sector specific risk, market cap specific risk, and of course, most important is of course, and I'm sure we'll get into it as we talk, is about the selecting, of course, the best of the companies. But what is more important, because I think in India, or probably now, even the millennials know, which are the best companies to buy. The important is, what you do once you buy. And that's the balance what we need to do. So we create very, very balanced portfolio. We do not take any extreme bets on a particular sector or a particular company or on a particular theme. It is a well-balanced portfolio that helps you to deliver long-term superior risk-adjusted returns.
Well, I think if I were to also, highlight this importance and understand that risk management is essentially at the center of AAA's investment philosophy. And for our clients, / investors who are listening, managing risk means not having a bumpy ride. So if risk management is at the center, is at the very center of a PM's philosophy, your journey of 3, 5, 7, 10 years while he makes your portfolio go a 2x, 3x or a 5x, the drawdown that you see in every market downturn will be far lower than what you see otherwise, and the journey can be much more smooth.